Let's take a new exercise in Autodesk Inventor for beginners. See here all dimensions in millimeter, exercise number 36. Now here we have one top view and one side view, and see here two section view, one section view and one isometric view. Now let's study. Uh, See at center, we can start from center. Total length of this 60 millimeter and diameter you will see here 65. Okay, we will create this one. Then there is another body which is 6 millimeter away from this. See, so we will create this body. Now this body you will see angle 30. This circle how much? You will see 30 degree. There is a hole 18 dia, and this is the pitch circle diameter, radius 90. See, this is 68, and see these lines collinear to center. Okay, if you observe here this depth 27, and this side depth 27 minus 6, 21 millimeter. Okay, so let's see how we will do this. Let me make new, go to metric, apply standard mm.ipt, create. Now let me directly choose here, create 2D sketch. Now let me select XZ plane. Now see, this is sketch mode. Now let me activate center point circle and start with origin point. See this green color, click and drag. Diameter how much? 65, enter. Simply finish. And let me apply extrude command. Now here, first option profile already selected. Now start plane also selected. Now behavior, you have to choose direction. See, direction upside, how much length given? 60. First part you can name it whatever, but let's keep this one as it is. Select this isometric view and zoom. Okay, let me define some color, pink. Okay, now let me create one plane. Select plane, press and hold left mouse and drag and rotate. Select this bottom one, drag upside. See here, -6. Okay. Now press and hold shift key and rotate the model. See. Now let me select this plane. Select here, create sketch. Let me select slice view. Select this one and apply project view. Now see these line created. We don't need to. Okay. Now let me activate line. Start with origin and make this length. See, 90. And press tab key. Angle how much? 90 plus 30, 120. Enter. Right click. Okay. Now select this line, construction line. Apply circle. Let me draw here two circle. This diameter 30. Then draw one more. Inside 18. Okay. Now I'm going to draw one line, center line, so that click this line, right click and make it construction. Now choose here, let's say, okay, before going, let me apply line, connect from here to here, right click, okay. Now drag this line, choose here tangent, select this line and this circle. Tangent relation created, right click, okay. Now let's apply mirror. Now select here sketch 1, 2, 3, mirror line. Let me select this line. Apply, done. Okay. Now I'm going to choose here center point arc. First point here, second point here, drag third point. Right click, okay. I'm going to choose this one, symmetric. Select these two ends and select the center line. See this relation created. Okay, activate line, connect this point to this and extend up to from here to now. You will see there is a symbol tangent. So let me choose here collinear. Select these two lines, collinear. Okay, let me choose mirror. Select these two lines, mirror line, center one, apply, done. Now hold shift key, select these two line, right click, construction. Okay, dimensions 68. Look, the drawing seems fully defined. If you see the angle 30, accept. Okay, let me finish. Let's choose isometric view and I'm going to apply here extrude. Now first choose profile. So I'm going to select this profile. See this moving downward side. Direction, choose this one, and depth it's given how much? 27 minus 6. 20. This is going to be 21. Okay. First part keep join. Before either apply OK or select. If you want one more, apply and create new extrusion. Now this time I'm going to select this circle. Let me rotate the model. Select this portion. Now this time I'm going to directly apply 27. Keep output join. Two profiles selected. See the direction perfect. Okay. See here we done. Now right click on plane, uncheck visibility and hide. Now you can drop down and let's say which plane, YZ plane, create. Section view. Now let's create this portion. 30, 21 from bottom and center distance 80 millimeter. And how long we need to extrude? This circle 30 dia 54 millimeter and this one center one 40 millimeter. Okay. Activate corner rectangle, draw one rectangle. Okay, make 30, tap. Okay, enter. Dimensions. Okay, before going to apply a dimension, let me apply circle. See this green color is center point. Now select this construction line. Let's apply dimensions. 6. Distance from here to midpoint 80. Okay, this is fully defined. This one keep as it is. Even you can apply at center, no issue. Finish sketch, extrude. First select this face, profile selected, and here see direction. Choose symmetry 40. Keep join. And here again apply this symbol, apply and create new extrude. Now this type profile, select this circle. Again direction symmetry and depth 54. Keep join, say, look, this is the shape we created. Now again let's select this face, sketch, activate circle and place circle at center point. How much? 18. Okay. Why this is not fully defined? Make it concentric. Select this circle and this. Now this is perfectly defined. Okay. Finish. Apply, extrude. Select profile. Select this direction change. Here instead of this, here choose through all. And here apply cut. Okay. Now let's make this cutout 20. But there is a condition. See, this is circular 32. Okay. This hole we done, I think, 18. After this hole, there is one more hole, 14, 20. Okay. Now let me again choose X, Y, Z plane, create sketch, activate circle and place at center. Make it diameter 32 multiplied by 2. Enter. Finish sketch, extrude, and here select cut. Select symmetry, choose profile, and how much depth? 20. Here choose cut. Now see how it looks like. Okay. See, this is circular. Again, YZ plane, create sketch, circle, 20. Let me choose here slice view, dimensions, 14. Okay, now let's, okay, perfectly align. Finish, apply, and here profile already selected. Choose here through all and here choose through all. Cut. Okay. Again, YZ plane, create section view or slice view. Let's make this inside hole. 48 diameter 35, bottom diameter 23. Let me choose here line. Start from okay. Now let's connect. Smart dimensions 35 divided by 2. 23 divided by 2. This length 48. Now choose here collinear. Select this line and this upper line. Okay, let's coincide this point, this. Perfect. Finish sketch. Apply revolve feature. Now in this case, choose profile. Already selected, select axis. I'm going to select, see this center line. Now you will see some kind of preview. Now in this case, by default angle already apply 360 degree. Choose here cut. Apply. See, this is how we achieved our result. Okay. At top, there is one cutout, 18 millimeter depth. And from top, you will see 24 millimeter. Select the face, create sketch, activate line. Okay. Let's define dimensions. 24. Coincide select this point and this circle. Okay, already there. Finish sketch, apply, extrude. Now this time choose profile. So select this, keep cursor and select this option. Direction change. I want to cut here, keep Boolean cut. Depth given 18. Yes. Now we achieved our result. See, this is how we done. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.